Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is some old hair that I had, but today I'm going to show you how to ombre. So these are the things that I'm going to be using. I have my bleach, developer, a spray bottle, a towel just to wash my hands off, and a comb to comb the product through. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 scoops of the BW2 powder and I'm going to put it in the applicator bowl. After that, I'm just going to add my 40 volume developer. I don't measure mine. I kind of just eyeball it. The goal is to get it to like a pancake consistency, like a good, nice consistency. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Shimmering Lights purple shampoo and I'm going to add like a drop or two in the bleach. And this is just going to help with the brassiness. Alright, so I'm going to do one bundle at a time. So I'm going to start with this first bundle and I'm going to start at the ends. I'm just going to apply the bleach throughout the ends. Also, like, if you're going to do this, you want to make sure that your lines are kind of jagged. You don't want them straight across. So what I do is I like to put the product on the hair first and then, make my lines jagged. So then, I'm just going to flip it over and do the same thing to the back because you want color on both, sides of the hair. You don't want the color like spotted like. So yeah, and then when I get done, I'm just going to fold this bundle up. And I did let this sit for like 10 or 15 minutes before I did the other bundle so that it, would be like a little bit lighter. Okay, so I did not film me doing the third bundle because I did like the exact same thing that I did to the first 2 bundles. I would say the first bundle was a little off. I left the bleach on there for like 45 minutes and somehow the second bundle still, was lighter than the first bundle. But whatever, I'm just gonna work with it and make it work. So, I'm just rinsing it out and this is the shampoo that I'm using. It's Cream of Nature. I think it's a moisturizing shampoo. And I'm just gonna shampoo the hair at least 3 times with this moisturizing shampoo. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Shimmering Light shampoo and I'm just gonna apply it to the hair and I'm gonna run it through it, especially on the blonde part, just so that it'll take more of the brassiness out. And I'm gonna do this to each bundle. And see, this is the second bundle and you can see it's way lighter, but your girl is gonna make it work. So anyways, I let this sit for 15 minutes and then I rinsed it out in like warm water. And now the next part that we're going to do is like the most important part because this is what's going to bring your hair back to life from the bleaching, from all the, harsh chemicals and everything. Okay, y'all, so to get the best results, you're going to need a bowl with a top on it like what I used. And then what you're going to need to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel. And then go on over and check out part 2 of this amazing deep conditioning hair mask that I'm about to create. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.